Hi, this is Casey, founder and principal architect at Soqucoin Labs. This is SOQ-TEC, the first quantum safe gateway for Solana. Everything you're about to see is live on Solana devnet. Every transaction is real and verifiable. 2 patents, 21 claims, all proven on-chain. Okay, so this is phase 1, XMSS-LITE revolving vault. And in phase 1, we're utilizing extension Merkle root, which demonstrates our LITE vault, a multi-use quantum safe custody solution. Today, if you hold tokens on Solana, your keys are on elliptic curve. An elliptic curve is known to be breakable by quantum computers. We fix that before that becomes an issue. Step 1 is where we create quantum safe keys. We generate 16 one-time signing keys offline. These are hash-based, no elliptic curves. Step 2, connect to Solana Gateway. Connecting to our deployed gateway program on Solana devnet, 2 of 3 multi-sig, production grade. Step 3, deploy quantum safe vault. Alright, this is where we deploy the vault on chain with a Merkle root commitment. This is the anchor for all 16 keys. You can verify this transaction right now on Solana Explorer. Step 4, we deposit tokens into the vault. Here's the breakthrough. Patent claim 2. Tokens mint directly into the quantum safe vault. They never touch an elliptic curve wallet. Step 5 is where we withdraw the quantum safe signature. And this is patent claim 1. We're withdrawing using a hash-based signature verified entirely inside the Solana VM. No classical crypto. Click that link and the proof is on chain. Step 6, one-time use key security. Alright, this is a fun experiment. We try to reuse the same key. The program rejects it. Key reuse is enforced on chain, not by trust. This is what makes hash-based signature safe. Step 7 is where we do a second withdrawal, multi-use proof. And here's what makes us different from Winternet's vault. You can see that what makes us different is that one Winternet's is single use, and ours supports 16 to over 1,000 withdrawals per vault. That's the revolving part. Okay, now we're entering phase 2, which is our Quantum Express Gateway zone. Phase 2 is the revenue engine. This is how value moves across chain and what happens here is we burn SPL token PSOQ, and then we get SOQ on our quantum safe layer 1, and that happens in subseconds. Okay, step 8 is another fun experiment where we're doing an emergency shutdown test. This is safety first. We pause the entire bridge with one authority call. While paused, burns are rejected. The circuit breaker is real, it's on-chain enforced, then we resume. Both transactions are verifiable. Step 9 is where we burn PSOQ to redeem the Soqucoin. And this is another patent claim. So the 2-phase optimistic transfer process is where we burn 100 PSOQ on Solana. That burn is physically irreversible. The supply is decremented. No rollback possible. That's what makes this secure. All right. Step 10 is where we do a cross-chain release via Paul. So Paul is our pre-allocated UTXO lanes, and this is where we validate finality. Paul releases SOQ on our layer 1 in 174 milliseconds. The layer 1 transaction is signed with MLDSA44, and in other words, NIST FIPS 204, the new post-quantum standard. This is 0.1% fee for this. And in 11, on step 11, this shows a live release from our production relayer, and this is not a simulation. All right, these are real releases from our production relayer running right now in StageNet. You can hit that API endpoint anytime and for yourself and see the data. This brings us to phase 3, which is the revenue model. The business case is, again, 0.1% per transfer. $280 billion in stablecoins are vulnerable to harvest now, decrypt later. $180 billion in Solana TVL is exposed through ED 25519 elliptic curve. And SOQ-TEC aims to be the first multi-use post-quantum secure vault in the Solana shopping mall. And SOQ-TEC will be the only one who actually eliminates the elliptic curve custody gap entirely. All right, at this point, we're done with the demonstration. We want you to verify everything. Every program address, every transaction, every API endpoint, it's all right here. Click any link, and we'll provide those links in the description. We're not asking you to trust us. Go ahead and verify. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you next time.